Hi students, good morning to everyone. Welcome to our English class. So this is your material reading session. Okay. So first all of you take your material and take a pencil. Okay. So listen carefully all of you, each and every word's pronunciations for you today. Material reading part is first Roman and then third Roman, fifth Roman, sixth Roman, seventh Roman, eighth Roman, first question, second question, fifth question, and then sixth question. Okay, clear all of you? So this part is for your material reading part. So listen carefully all of you. Clear students? Okay, so what is the title of this prose? Earth the desolated home. Earth the desolated home. So in this before session we just seen the teaching part in the same lesson. Yes? Okay, so this is the continuation part of material reading for you. So listen carefully and split all of you. See, first Roman synonyms. So synonyms means it's a meaning. So same meaning. Yes? See, first one, fuels. Fuels. Power plants. Power plants. Fuels. Power plants. Hab. Hab. Habitat. Habitat. Third one, survival. Survival. To remain alive. To remain alive. Survival. To remain alive. Adapting. Adapting. Modify. Modify. Adapting. Modify. Next, capsule. Capsule. A small cylinder shaped bed. A small cylinder shaped bed. A small cylinder shaped bed. See once again from the first. Fuels. Power plants. Have. Habitat. Survival. To remain alive. Adapting. Modify. Capsule. A small cylinder shaped bed. Are you clear? So next, third Roman. Singular and plural. Do you know what is singular and what is plural? So singular means one and plural means more than two. Okay, so one, we can say one thing means it is called singular, and then more than two or more. So more than two or more things we can say that in plural. Okay, see that first, month. Months. Month. Months. Fertilizer. Fertilizers. Fertilizer. Fertilizers. Next, colony. Colonies. Colony. Colonies. Scientist. Scientists. Scientist. Scientist. Goose. Geese. Goose. Geese. See once again, month. Months. Fertilizer. Fertilizers. Colony. Colonies. Scientist. Scientist. Goose. Geese. Shall we move to next Roman? Okay. See, so next, fifth Roman. Make a own sentence. So, make a sentence of your own. So, we can give a one particular word. You have to write the word with usage of a sentence. So, you can write a own sentence with the usage of the particular given word. Clear? See that. So, first word is polluted. Polluted. So, polluted meaning is dirty. Polluted, dirty. See the sentence. Don't pollute the earth. Don't pollute the earth. Don't pollute the earth. Next, second one, harvest. Harvest. See, harvest meaning is crop. Harvest, crop. See the sentence. We will go to harvest the vegetables. We will go to harvest the vegetables. We will go to harvest the vegetables. See once again. First one, polluted. Meaning is dirty. Sentence, don't pollute the earth. Next, second one, harvest. Meaning is crop. The sentence is, we will go to harvest the vegetables. See, next, sixth Roman, abbreviations. Abbreviations. See, mostly we can use the short forms for this given right side. So, short forms only mostly we can use in all places. Okay. So, what is the abbreviation of these short terms means? First one, AM. So, AM abbreviation, antimeridiem. AM, antimeridiem. PM, postmeridiem. PM, postmeridiem. LTD, LTD, limited, limited. Next, MR. MR means we can use Mr. or Minister. See, MR, Minister. MR, Minister. Next, ST, Saint. ST, Saint. See, once again, AM, antimeridiem. PM, postmeridiem. LTD, limited. MR, minister. ST, saint. So you have to read the each spellings. Okay. Next, 7th Roman, compound words. Do you know what is compound words? If we separate the two words means it will give the separate meaning, and otherwise if these words are combined together means it will give the another one different meaning. Clear? So that is called compound words. See, light plus house, lighthouse. See, light it gives separate meaning and house it gives separate meaning. If it is combined together, lighthouse means it will give another one meaning. Are you clear? So this is called compound words. So see the words, light plus house, lighthouse. Light plus house, lighthouse. Mail plus box, mailbox. Mail plus box, mailbox. Watch plus man, watchman. Watch plus man, watchman. Star plus fish, star plus fish, starfish. Star plus fish, starfish. Hand plus bag, handbag. Hand plus bag, handbag. See once again, light plus house, lighthouse. Mail plus box, mailbox. Watch plus man, watchman. Star plus fish, starfish. Hand plus bag, handbag. Next, 8th Roman. Answer the following questions. So this is a 2-mark questions. Today for you 4 questions for your material reading. See the first question. Split all of you. What is the setting of the story? What is the setting of the story? Life on Mars. Life on Mars is the setting of the story. Life on Mars is the setting of the story. Next, second question. Name the vegetable. Name the vegetables harvested in the vegetation hab. Name the vegetables harvested in the vegetation hab. See the answer. Crops. Carrot are the vegetables. Crops. Carrot are the vegetables harvested in the vegetation hab. Harvested in the vegetation hab. Next, 5th question. In the story, what happened to the earth? In the story, what happened to the earth? It was the year 2068. It was the year 2068. Humans had destroyed the earth. Humans had destroyed the earth and started colonizing the red planet Mars. The red planet Mars. See next, 6th question. In which year was the story set? In which year was the story set? The story was set in 2068. The story was set in 2068. Are you clear, students? So that's all your material part. So in that material part you have a home test. So what is the home test part is for you means 8th Roman 4 questions only. So 2 mark questions have no. So that 4 2-mark questions. First question, second question, and then 5th question and 6th question. So these 4 questions for your home test. So you have to write these 4 questions in your home test note and then send it to your class teachers clearly. Okay, students? Okay, read well and write it correctly in your note and send it to your class teachers. Thank you, students. All the best, all of you.